guys, welcome to Motowear. It's a long time since we have come up with a customization video. Yes, today we are going to see a kids customization jacket and a glove. So in this video you will be seeing how we took a measurement for the kids jacket and also the complete jacket until the finishing stage. Okay, let's get into the video to see how the jacket is. So guys, as I told earlier, we have customized the riding jacket for Mr. Dheera, who is a little champ of Mr. Sudhir. So in this jacket, we have completely customized. Initially, he asked for the jacket of Air Master, but his requirement was he need a color of white, red and black combination. So this three colors should be in the jacket. This was his only requirement and he chose this Air Master jacket. So in this video, you could see how we took the measurement of the kid. It's a complete measurement of shoulder, elbow, spine, chest and everything. We have took the measurement, and of course this jacket is ready with his name on the jacket as well. Yes, this is the jacket. So this is the Air Master jacket for the little champ Dheera, and you could also see the name of him. Okay, so he said that it is let it be in the Motowear font itself, and it also comes with a hydration bag provision even for the kid also. In this jacket you could find there is a rain and thermal liner, combined rain and thermal liner as like the Air Master jacket, and of course with the armors. The shoulder, elbow is level 2 by default, and spine and chest is L1 with all the adjustment. So this jacket is completely ready, and you could find the finishing. So if you want to have like this kind of jacket for your little champ as well, do reach out to Motowear. Currently we are located in Chennai as well as in Bangalore. So all the location addresses are given in the description. Do follow us, and if you have any queries or anything, kindly reach out to us on the below mentioned numbers, and also don't forget to comment us also. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.